Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 24. An important reason for staking yam is to A. Expose the leaves to sunlight, B. Prevent water from logging on the farm, C. Enhance the formation of leaves, D. Expose the flowers to pollination. So staking is a procedure, a farm procedure that involves elevating the creeping vines in this case of the yams, above ground level by means of supporting structures. Now these supporting structures are usually constructed using wood or bamboo or sometimes metal. Now the primary reason or the important reason for staking yam is to mainly allow for maximum sunlight interception for the purpose of plant photosynthesis, thus to obtain high yield. So elevating the creeping vines of yams above ground level enables the yam plants to intercept sunlight much more adequately and more efficiently, and this enhances or it uh, allows for plant photosynthesis, thus increasing the yield of the crops. So option A says expose the leaves to sunlight, and as we have rightly established here, the main reason for staking is to allow for sunlight, to expose the leaves to sunlight. So option A, expose the leaves to sunlight, is the correct answer to the question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.